Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is John Samuel Smith, and today we're going to be going over the basics of the stock market, and we're going to be going over technical analysis. So I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, what is technical analysis? Alright, I'm going to break it down for you guys. Technical analysis basic definition is the belief that past trends and activities in the market can be indicators of future price movement. So what does that mean? Let me give you an example. So trends, for an example, if what happens in year number 1 happens again in year number 2, it is more likely that it's gonna also happen in year number 3. So that gives people a kind of a heads up of what's gonna happen in the market. So you have a kind of a prediction of what's going on. So those are how technicals work. So with technical analysis in the stock market, people use science and math to predict these indicators. So they're not necessarily going into fundamentals. And we're gonna get into fundamentals on my next video. You're gonna wanna like, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at _real_John Sam and Facebook on John Samuel Smith. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.